Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our maths class. I am your maths teacher from United Public School, Tandur. What we are discussing, ma? We are discussing the 10th class first chapter. What is that real number? In that we are completing the exercise 1.4. Today we are discussing 1.5, ma. In that also we are completing the first three problems, na, ma. Today we are discussing the fourth one. What is that, ma? What is the question? Our question is determine the following values. Whatever values is there, we have to determine. We have to find that values. Okay, ma? Okay, whatever the expression is there, we have to find the values of that expressions. Okay, what is that first one? Log 1 to the base 7. Log 1 to the base 7. We have to find this value with the help of laws of logarithms formula. Okay. With the help of laws of logarithm formula, we are going to find these values of these expressions. Okay. What is the fourth one question, ma? Log 1 to the base 7. Let's see. Given that, what is the question, ma? Whatever given in the question, just you have to write the in answer after writing the given that. Okay. Log 1 to the base 7. Log 1 to the base 7. It is in the form of log 1 to the base a. Log 1 to the base a. This expression is in the form of our law of logarithms. Is there one formula, nama? What is that? Log 1 to the base a is equals to 0. It means that the whole value should be 0. Means any log 1, log 1 to any base, okay, any base, the value should be 0. Means that our expression is in the form of log 1 to the base 7. Means log 1 to the base a, the value should be 0, because the value of log 1 of any base, okay, of any, here we have 10. Log 1 means log 1 to the base 10. Here also the value should be 0. Means that the log 1 value is 0. So that our expression, the value is 0. Okay, ma? Just according to this formula, we can say that this value should be, the whole value should be 0. Okay, we are solving the fourth one. What is the fifth one, ma? Log root x. How I am saying, how I am reading, please listen carefully. Log root n to the base x. Log root x to the base x. Log root x to the base x. We have to find this value. First, what is it, ma? Log root x to the base x means that we can write it as root x as a 1 by x, because the root value is 1 by 2. Okay, can you understand? I am removing the root, because removing the root, we get the 1 by 2. Okay, the value of root is 1 by 2. The value of root is 1 by 2. Okay, just I am removing that root. Instead of root, we are writing the 1 by 2. Okay, here I am. What is the root x, ma? In place of root x, we are writing the x to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, what is our expression? Our expression is that log x to the power of 1 by 2 to the base x. Log x to the power 1 by 2 to the base x. Okay, this expression, it is in the form of log x to the power n to the base a. This expression can be written as, formed as log x to the power n to the base a. Means that what will happen in the RHS, just we are taking the whatever power is there, I am writing the before that log. Okay, just I am taking the powers before the log. Okay, in place of n, what we have, by in place of n we have 1 by 2. In place of x we have x only. In place of a we have x only. Okay, ma? What we have to do in the next step, just we are taking the whatever n is there, we are writing the first, okay, before the log. Means that whatever n, what is n, ma? 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 we are writing the before the log. Here I am writing on the next step, whatever power is there, I am writing the before the log. Means the 1 by 2 log x to the base x. Here the log x to the base x, it is in the form of log a to the base a. The whole value should be 1. Means that it is in the form of log a to the base a. Means that log s to the x, the value should be 1. Okay, ma'am? Up to that clear? The whole value should be 1. Okay, because the whole value should be 1 because of that condition, because of this formula. According to this formula. Okay, up to that clear? 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. Means that our answer is 1 by 2. I am explaining the fourth one. What we get, ma? The value is 0. Here we get the value as 1 by 2. Fourth one is your homework. Just we have to convert the what is our question? Log 512 to the base 2. We have to convert the 512 in terms of 2. Okay, in terms of 2 in terms of powers of 2 ma. Means how can we get with the help of LCM? Okay, with the help of LCM we can get the value in terms of 2. Okay, I am explaining the seventh one. What is that? Log 0.01 to the base 10. What is the seventh one question? Log 0.01 to the base 10. Okay, and sixth one is your homework. I am trying to explain the seventh one. What is that? Log 0.01 to the base 10. Let's see. Here your answer ma, what is that? Given that, whatever given in the question, just you have to write the given that afterwards. Okay, what is that? Log 0.01 to the base a. Here listen here, look at, observe this ma, what is that? In the base, in the power we have the decimal. Okay, we don't have any formula according to decimal, just we have to remove the decimal. First we have to find this value ma, 0.01. After finding the value we are applying the formula. Okay, just we have to take the 0.01 separately. What is this 0.01? Okay, what we have to do, we have to remove the decimal. Okay, because we don't have any formula according to decimal, just we have to remove the decimal, we have to find the value of that. Okay, 0.01. After removing the value, how can we do this? After removing value, how many numbers is there? That number of 0 we have to divide with 1. Okay, the whole value should be taken in the numerator. Here how many numbers ma? 0, 0, 0, 1 means the whole value is 1. Okay, I am not taking the 0, 0, 1, I am taking only 1, means 1 divided by 100. Why I am writing 100? Because the decimal, after decimal we have 2 numbers, that's why we are taking that 100. Okay, what is our answer ma? 1 by 100. After removing the decimal we get 1 by 100. The 100 can be written as 10 into 10, means that how can we get this? With the help of LCM, 10 tens are 100. Okay, 100 can be written as 10 into 10, and 10 into 10 can be written as 10 square. How? X into x we can write it as x square nama. Similarly 10 into 10 written as 10 square. Okay, here for this step we are using the exponent formula. What is that ma? 1 by a to the power of n. 1 by a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of minus n. Okay, here the a value is in denominator. If you want to take it in the numerator, what will happen ma? The whatever power is there, it will be negative, it will be comes in negative. Okay, this formula, this condition is applicable for this step ma. What is that? A by 10 square. Okay, what is the power? Power is 2 ma. Okay, plus 2 is there. If you want to put in here the powers and 10 is in the numerator. If you want to put in the denominator, what will happen ma? The whatever power is there, it will be negative. Okay, it will become in negative ma. Okay, means that a to the power of minus 2, because I am taking the whole value in numerator. Okay, up to that clear? At last what we get ma? 0.01 value is what we get? 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, 0.01 after simplification what we get? 10 to the power of minus 2. In place of 0.001 we are writing the 10 to the power of minus 2. Just here we are finding them what we get last? 10 to the power of minus 2. Just I am writing in place of 0.01 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, please observe this question, observe this expression. It is in the form of a log x to the power n to the base a. This expression is in the form of log x to the power n to the base a. Means that what we have to do, just whatever power is there we have to write the before the log. Okay, whatever power is there we have to write before the log. In place of n we have minus 2, in place of x we have 10, in place of a we have 10. Okay, what we have to do in this step, just whatever power is there we have to write the power before the log. Okay, what is the power ma? Minus 2. Okay, just this minus 2 we have to write the before the log. I am writing here whatever power is there according to this formula, I am writing the before the log. Okay, log and remaining term should be as it is. Okay, remaining term should be as it is. Similarly log and log 10 to the base 10 I am writing the similar. Okay, up to that clear? Here we are using the another formula. What is that? Log a to the base a. Log a to the base a is equals to 1. The whole value should be 1, means that according to this formula, this expression it is in the form of log a to the base is equals to 1, means that log 10 to the base 10 the whole value should be 1 according to this formula. Okay, means that the minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, means that whatever the question is there, log 0.01 to the base 10. Okay, what is the after simplification we get the value as minus 2. Okay ma'am, this answer is completed. Okay, ma, what we get? Okay, I am explaining the 7th one. Let's see the 8th one. What is that? Log 8 by 27 to the base 2 by 3. What we have to do? Just we have to 8 by 7. We have to convert in terms of 2 by 3. Okay, ma. Let's see. Can you see, ma? What is that? What is our question? Log 8 by 27 to the base 2 by 3. The 8 by 27 we have to convert in terms of 2 by 3, means 8 we have to convert in terms of 2, 27 we have to convert in terms of 3. Because why we are converting? Because we at last later we have to use this formula, log 8 to the base a. We have to find this value. We have to use this formula. That's why we are converting the whatever expression we are in. We have to convert that expression to the base. Okay, with the base. Okay, we have to convert the 8 in terms of 2. How can we convert that? With the help of LCM. Okay, 8 is there, 2 4s are 8. Okay, 2 2s are 4, means that 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 cube. Okay, x into x into x means x cube na. Similarly, 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 cube. Okay, we are converting the 8 in terms of 2 nama, in terms of 2. Okay, what we have to convert? We have to convert the 27 in terms of what? In terms of 3. Okay, later we have to use the formula log a to the base a. Okay, ma. What is the 22? How can we convert in terms of 3? With the help of LCM. What is the LCM? 27. Okay, what we have to, in terms of what? We have to convert the in terms of 3. Because of that we are taking the 3's table. Okay, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. Okay, at last 3 1s are 3 nama, means that 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 means that 3 cube. Okay, ma. 3 cube. 8 can be written as 2 cube and 27 can be written as 3 cube. Okay, instead of 8 and 27 we are writing the 2 cube and 3 cube. To that clear? In place of 8 we are writing the 2 cube. In place of 27 we are writing the 3 cube. Okay, up to that clear? Often simplify after doing the LCM. Okay, here in this step we are using the exponent formula. What is that, ma? A square a cube divided by b cube can be written as a by b whole cube. Okay, whatever power is there we are writing the whole power. Okay, just we are writing the whole power. According to this expression we are writing here, ma, what is that? 2 cube divided by 3 cube, we can write it as 2 by 3 whole cube according to this formula. Okay, up to that clear? Here observe this question, ma. This expression it is in the form of this formula, ma. Okay, log x to the power m to the base a. Log x to the power m to the base a. Okay, it can be written as whatever power is there, just we have to write before the log, ma. Okay, what is the power? We have the power as 3 and s6 2 by 3, a is 2 by 3. What we have to do in the next step? Just we have to take the 3. Okay, according to this formula, just we have to take the 3 before the log. Okay, just 3 I am writing here before the log. Okay, the remaining terms should be as it is, Similarly, I am writing the I am taking the power before the log and remaining term should be as it is, means log 2 by 3 to the base 2 by 3. Here this expression it is in the form of log a to the base a is equals to 1, means that log 2 by 3 to the base 2 by 3, the value should be 1 according to this formula, means 3 into 1 is 3 1s are 3 is answer is 3, ma. Okay, hope you can understand my class. What is that? At every step we are using the sum formula according to logarithm, according to exponential, ma. Okay, this is your answer. At last what we get, ma? 3. Okay, fourth one is your homework. Just you have to convert the 512 in powers of 2. Can you see this? What is base, ma? In terms of base we have to convert, na. Because of that we have the 2. Just why we have to convert the 512 in terms of 2. Okay, today's class is completed. We are discussing up to the 7th one. Next class we are taking the 9th one, ma. Okay, today's class is completed. Just you have to complete till 8th one question and submit in the group. Thank you.